This is exactly what happened to the signal I dropped in my Telegram group yesterday. You can see it actually looked like we have hit our stop loss, but the truth is we did not hit our stop loss. If you are new to this channel, consider clicking that red subscribe button for me. Don't forget to click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram group for free, where I drop daily trade forecast using this particular strategy. Without further ado, let's dive into it. So if you have watched the last two videos I posted and you are trying to trade that strategy, I think this is not the best place to start. You go to the last two videos I've posted to understand the strategy, then come back to this video to see the two best ways to approach this strategy and an additional 3 tips on how to make entry using this strategy. I believe by now you have watched the 2 previous videos I posted about this strategy and you want to add confluence to what you already know, okay, to this strategy. So now I'm going to use this particular trade I dropped in my signal group right here yesterday to give an example. If you look at this, you can see what I posted there. So keep an eye on VS10 and observe the reaction on our POI. Once we get a bullish push in 30 minutes time frame, we make our entry. Now, this is the 2 ingredients that is going to bring out the sweetness of what we have cooked. So these 2 things I'm going to be sharing is going to help you to make more accurate trades while using that strategy. Now, we have 2 ways that the price approaches our POI that you need to pay attention to. The first way is aggressive, and this is the first one, which is aggressive approach to our POI. The second one is a conservative approach to our POI. So what is the difference? Let me show you. Now, if you look, we have our break of structure right here, okay? Now, after a break of structure, the price pushes up, okay, and gave us the first pullback. If you have watched the video, you already know exactly what I'm doing here. So that's the first pullback. We look for our POI, which is right here, okay? Now that we have our POI around this zone and the price is coming down, so where we are paying attention to is how the price approaches our POI. So you can see from this turning point, the price went straight aggressively to our POI. So the first method or first way that price approaches our POI is aggressive. This one is an aggressive way of approach, okay? So you can see that the price aggressively pushed to our POI. So when the price aggressively pushed to our POI, there are things that we can actually do, okay? So what do I mean by aggressive? You can see there is no swing. The price is not creating series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs as the price is coming down. Rather, the price keep pushing down to our POI aggressively with momentum candles towards our POI. If you pay close attention to these 4 candles, okay, right here, you can see that after that 4 candles, the price is increasing. The momentum of the price keep increasing while going towards our POI. And we should be expecting the price to reduce, the volume of the price to reduce, or the momentum to reduce towards our POI. So because of this, that is why we say that this price is approaching to our POI aggressively. So let's compare it with the second one, which is when the price is going or approaching our POI conservatively. So the conservative way of approach is this. So you can see we had a break of structure. We have our first pullback and we now have retreatment we are having here. And you can clearly see that the price is making series of lower lows, lower highs as the price keep coming down to our POI. If you pay attention to the last swing before the price touches our POI, you can see how aggressive that first bearish candle was, okay? And the candle starts reducing in size as the price approaches our POI. And now when the price touches our POI, you can see how the price quickly reverses towards the upward side. So this is 2 different price approach towards our POI that you need to pay attention to. If you must be profitable with this strategy, you must pay attention to these 2 things I just mentioned. Know if the price is approaching your POI aggressively or is coming conservatively. So which one is actually the one we are going to be focusing on. So before we proceed with this video, please like this video. It actually helps YouTube algorithms to understand that this video is of value and is helpful. So if you have gained any value from this video, smash that like button for me. Also share and leave a positive comment. Now with what happened between these 2 charts, all right, which I'm going to be placing side by side, you'll be able to know that we are going to be focusing on the conservative price approach towards our POI. Now that we are going to be focusing on the conservative approach, these are two ways you can actually take a trade. The two ways you can take this trade is that you can actually take this trade aggressively or you take it conservatively. So what do I mean? When you want to take a trade aggressively from our POI, you just want to set your entry at our POI. Without paying attention to whatever the price is going to do at that entry. But if you want to take a trade conservatively, you want the price to come to the POI, you pay attention to the reaction by waiting for maybe a bullish or bearish engulfing candle or any other signal within the POI before you take a trade. So these are two ways you can actually take this trade. Either you are taking aggressively or you are taking the trade conservatively at our POI. So your next question might be, which one do I find more profitable? Taking the trade aggressively or taking the trade conservatively? So I have to be sincere with you. If you are taking this strategy serious and you want to make good profit from this strategy, you must take this trade aggressively. This is where you pay attention. Remember, when we are talking about price approach towards our POI, we are focusing on conservative approach. But now, if you are to take the trade, the two ways to make entry, aggressively or conservatively, I said that the one I find more profitable is taking the trade aggressively. And I'm going to give you reasons why. Before I give you those three reasons why I find aggressive entry more profitable, remember what I said is more profitable. Whether you are entering conservatively or you are going aggressively, you are going to be profitable as long as you factor in the approach towards your POI. All right. But what I want to share with you is the reason why I find the aggressive entry more profitable. So number one is early entry, more profit. So your risk reward, if you are taking an aggressive entry, is going to be high. You can see from the charts. Then the second thing is hard to miss trade. You are likely not going to miss trade because if you are going to be taking an entry, remember, based on our aggressive entry, your buy will be activated at this zone. Once the price tap to this zone, your buy will be activated. But if you are going conservatively, this is the point your buy will be activated after this bullish engulfing. Now, sometimes you might be missing some trade because if you are waiting for the price to give you an engulfing candle, price can consolidate within this zone, take a lot of time, or the bullish engulfing might come and close maybe somewhere here. You will have a very long candle or impulsive candle that will close this way. Then you taking the trade will be exposing you to more risk. For instance, your stop loss will be here, and you can see you are not going to be getting even up to 1:2 on this trade. Then if you are going aggressively, you can see the difference. Let's say the candlestick closes here. If you are taking this trade, you are not getting up to 1:2. You're exposing your account to more risk. But if you are going aggressively, this is the entry. You are having up to 1:5 RR on this particular trade. The number three reason why I find aggressive entry more profitable is lack of ambiguity, which is no confusion. You already know that this is your POI. Once the price tap into your POI, you are buying. No confusion, nothing to check again. But if you are doing conservative entry, you are likely going to be looking at the price, playing with your emotions, forming kind of some candlestick patterns and every other thing that might even make you or push you to start making mistakes. You might be contemplating if you are going to enter, if this is really a bullish engulfing, is it not a bullish engulfing? Am I seeing a double top, double bottom? There are a lot of things now you have to consider, which will likely push you into confusion or making mistakes. That is why aggressive entry is one of the best way to enter. Yes, in some market condition, you might be having more of failed trade when you are entering your trade aggressively, but the risk reward is worth it. So quick recap of what we have covered. We broke down two ways that price approaches our POI, which is the aggressive approach and the conservative approach. And we said that the one we are going to be paying attention to is the conservative approach. Then I shared with you how to take a trade when the price comes to our POI, and we have two ways, which is the aggressive entry and the conservative entry. And I said that I found the aggressive entry more profitable, and also I gave about 3 reasons why aggressive entry happens to be more profitable than conservative entry. And I also pointed out that the aggressive and conservative entry, they are both profitable, but the one I found more profitable is the aggressive entry, and you have your reasons. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you more psychological aspect of this strategy in my next video. So don't forget to like, share, and leave a positive comment how ready you are to see the next video on this particular strategy. So don't forget to click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel where I share trade tips, updates, and also drop signals. We also go live sometimes in that channel. So we don't want to miss all this in one package. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.